tell us, Gaurang, where exactly are you finding that opportunity, in this, after this 10% correction in the markets? Would you stick with the large caps, the ones within the banks, ITs, pharma? Would you have other pockets to actually discover at this point in time?
Well, Sakshi, I think it's always thank you and morning to you as well. आपको भी प्रणाम Sakshi. So प्रभात आपको. So I think it's really prudent, and we as a brokerage house, Sakshi, we always try to create informed investors, not ill-informed traders, and that's what our basic theme is.
Yes.
And the more informed investors you create, the larger the base grows and the stronger the market grows from there. Larger the base of ill-informed traders, so will be a weak market and so will be the collapse. So in that process, what we strive for, we always advocate that look at large cap first. And primarily so because Sakshi, all these selling that we've seen from the FIs was largely in the front line because by default they have to invest in that. So larger part of exposure was
Yeah.
in front line and they have corrected and they have corrected quite fair. So I would say look at large cap first and then possibly depending upon certain sectorial themes, look at mid caps. Small and micro cap still remains to be a far distant kind of a dream for us to pick anything. Sectorially, if you ask me, Shail Bhai, and you are witness to our commentary for the last 4 years, 3 years, 4 years, that IT will be good, IT will turn around, and it has started to turn around. So when people were advocating that stay away from IT, we were the ones who were
Yes.
advising that look at IT. And if you had invested at that point of time, you are still laughing your way to the bank because of the kind of in-deep profit that you are in. Cap goods engineering, power, select defense stocks. I cannot go without saying defense sector, talking about defense
Yes.
sector. And I would say cement. These are primarily the areas, including, of course, banking, both public as well as private banks, with some strong NBFC institutions. So make a basket of 5 or 6 sectors, cherry pick 2, 3 names from there, pro by default, of course, large cap names, and then possibly make a nice, decent portfolio and stick to that principle and invest in those stocks every month via an SIP. I think by the time are next year, this time, possibly November 25, I think we'll be discussing a very comfortable zone for the markets.